Updating your legal name with your bank is an important process that ensures your personal information is accurate. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate the steps for Bank AlBilad in Switzerland. Step 1. Gather required documents. Before starting the process, collect all necessary documents. This typically includes your identification passport or ID card, proof of your name change, marriage certificate, court order, etc., and any relevant bank documents. Step 2. Visit the bank's website. Go to the official Bank AlBilad website. Look for the customer service or contact section to find specific instructions related to name changes. This may include downloadable forms or additional requirements. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your application. Once you have completed the form and gathered your documents, submit your application. This can often be done online through the bank's portal, via email, or in person at a local branch. Make sure to keep copies of everything you submit. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, follow up with the bank to confirm that your name change is being processed. This can be done through customer service or by checking your online banking account for updates. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Bank AlBilad. Make sure to keep track of your application and any correspondence with the bank for a smooth transition.